about your goals, have you ever seen the term a SMART goal? I don't actually mean an intelligent goal, although they are those too. It's actually a 5-letter acronym, and I'm going to go into each topic throughout the rest of the videos within this series. But first, I just want to give you a heads up about what each individual letter means. S stands for specific. The letter M stands for measurable, means you have to be able to measure your goals to see if you can achieve them or not. A is for achievable, to see if it's actually possible to achieve that goal. Now, I've seen a couple different things for R, however, my preferred term is relevant. This means that you want to make sure that what you're doing is actually going to lead you to where you're trying to go. The last one is related to time. I'll be talking more about each of these in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.